I'm playing a character of Sonika Tomar, which is again a small town girl's character. She's from Hisar. Hisar is again a very, very small place, not too developed. So this girl decides to come to Mumbai to get a job. And now when she comes here, she sees, there's a long queue. और उसके बाद यहाँ पे उसको जॉब ही नहीं मिल रहा है और ये लगी हुई है लाइन में बहुत सुबह से. उसके बाद बहुत देर के बाद इसका नंबर आता है. एंड राघव सर, who's the main boss, she just can't understand कि उसके बॉस है कैसे, उसको पसंद क्यों नहीं करते. ट्राइज हार्ड और उसके बाद भी उसको जॉब नहीं मिलता. बाकी जो हमारे दो अलग जो बॉसेस हैं ना, हरी साडू, बाला, वो तो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, फुल्ली इम्प्रेस्ड है मुझसे. लेकिन राघव सर है ना, मेरी बातें नहीं सुनते. क्या करूं. फाइनली राघव सर ने मुझे 2 बार ना कैबिन से भी बाहर निकाल दिया. व्हाट टू डू. मैंने क्या किया पता है, राघव सर ना ब्रेक में लू गए थे तो मैं उनके पीछे पीछे ही कट ली. और फिर वहाँ पे क्या हुआ वो आप लोग बाद में देखना, लेकिन मुझे जॉब मिल गया. मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं एक्टिंग करूँगी, क्योंकि nobody in my family is from this field. लेकिन I wanted to be someone creative. कुछ creative करना था, कुछ artistic करना था. Interior designing, fashion designing, कुछ भी designing, artistic. Office में बैठने वाला boring job, never. But after coming to Mumbai, कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि I gave it a try and it clicked. Finally, मेरी तो लग गई नौकरी. I started my career with a show called Palko Ki Chhaav Mein. That was for NDTV. Secondly, I did a show called Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai for Star Plus. Tere Mere Sapne for Star Plus. And I was doing a parallel lead in Rang Badalti Odni, which I couldn't continue. Later on, I did a show called Tera Mujhse Hai Pehle Ka Nata Koi for Sony. And now here, नौकरी लग गई है ना. Reality, I think I'm 50% of Sonika Tomar. She's too talkative. She's very adventurous, and she's too loud. As I said, even if there is an early shift, I'm the only co-star who comes on set and can dance at 7 a.m. So you see, full of energy, too talkative, very stubborn. Not that stubborn as Sonika. But yes, I am 50% of Sonika, but in reality, if you see, I'm not exactly like Sonika, because Sonika is one girl जिसको job मिला है लू में जाके. I can't do that. I'm comfortable in both the characters. I believe I have played the most Indian characters wherein I'm dressed up as a bridegroom, and after that I've played characters wherein I'm wearing a sari, a suit, everything. Now this is the first time I'm trying all the western hot costumes. Secondly, it's not always about the costume, it's about the character as well. I love performing, and I've tried all the Sazbu kind of shows, which were also interesting to do. But here I can just give my inputs being a youngster. This is a youth show, and it's awesome playing it. Rather than copying anyone or getting an idea of playing anyone else's character, I would love to experiment. Being an actress, I feel experimenting is the best thing, and I would like to do all kind of characters. I want to see myself into every kind of a character, be it comic, emotional, or anything which is like an up down, all kind of characters. I would love to do a character like a very serious girl, a press reporter. I would love to mimic someone, comedy, anything, be it anything. Love experiment. My name is Priyanka Chibbar, and I like an actress called Priyanka Chopra. The reason is I love the way she experiments on herself. I love the way she tries, she gets adjusted into every kind of a character. Recently I've seen so many movies of her, and I feel she's just too good with her work. Guys, girls, go for it. Whatever you want to do, just do it in life. Don't wait for the right moment, because the right moment always comes when you want it to come. And all the people from especially the small town, if you want to experiment yourself like how Sonika Tomar did, please go for it, guys. You get these opportunities once in your life.